love the way the wind sounds through the trees.
It's kind of breezy.
Yeah.
It's kind of chilly.
Yeah. It's wonderful.
Chilly.
And there's hardly anybody here. Chilly. I got it.
Burr.
Do a 360. Turn us around.
Look at
There's hardly anybody here.
Look at this.
We have the beautiful campground almost all to ourselves. I think we have like 6 people.
Six
And there's
here.
a couple of them that are leaving today.
25 spots, 1 blocked off. 6, 7 people here, and that's it. It's just...
Yep. But we expect it to get a little bit busier this weekend. There's a big bike race again in the area, so we expect it to get busier. But it's supposed to only be in like the 20s at night, so maybe not.
We'll see. 24 the next several nights. Here we go.
Especially tenters. Brr. Good morning! Happy Saturday!
It's cold.
We're not having coffee with you this morning. If you watched our Saturday morning coffee chat that we actually did yesterday, and we did tell you that it was yesterday, because we are right now on our way to our grandson's football game. He happens to be playing up here at Truckee. So, sorry, I got distracted by a lady walking a dog. Not on a leash though, huh? I think she grabbed it when we came by.
Yeah. Because
she just grabbed the collar. Anyway, we are on our way to a little, Anyway. It's a sports park that's here in Truckee. And, oh, somebody camped there last night. Look at that. Oh, that might be that lady with the dog.
Yeah.
Never know. Caught a guy with a couple of cars, and he said they just got there. However, people were sleeping in the car.
This is early this morning.
Yeah, early this morning. Yes. Yeah, he just got here at 7:30 this morning.
Oh, how much are the sites? 20 bucks,
Yeah, they didn't pay for a tag. Yeah. So.
Sneak in, sneak out. Jerks.
We were out for our rounds earlier than normal this morning.
And we caught them.
Yep. We should go around at like 6 o'clock in the morning. That's when quiet hour's over, so we could do that.
Yeah, you crawl out of bed and do that.
Okay, I will.
I know you will. You and your little, I'm a campground host whistle. Beep, beep.
Yep, hey, wake up. Where's your tag? Knock, knock, knock. Just kidding.
No, you're not.
Not at 6 o'clock in the morning, I wouldn't do that, but I would take license plate numbers. So it's a beautiful morning. Chilly, crisp, very autumn-like, which is wonderful as far as I'm concerned. This one, not so much.
Can I turn the furnace on in the car yet?
Go ahead.
Thanks.
Oh geez, now it's going to be wind on the camera. Kaylee has actually been liking this colder weather too. She's been very snuggly. It makes it hard to want to get up in the morning.
Somebody knocked that post down.
Somebody's a little violent there. I don't know if I can get it in the camera. Yep. There it is, laying down. So we will show you some shots and video of the football game.
Football, roll,
and these are little 9-year-olds.
Go Grizzlies!
Go Grizzlies! Shh. Montana State. Shh.
Oh, wrong kind of Grizzlies.
Yeah.
Not those Grizzlies.
Yeah. Sorry, all of our Bobcat friends. Yes.
Way to go, Grizzlies! 2-0.
Well, that was fun. They won.
Yay!
6. Go Galena Grizzlies. Alex played great. It was very chilly. It got real cloudy, kind of drizzled on us a little bit, and then the sun came back out again.
And the wind kicked up.
Yeah, the wind is what was cold.
Woo!
So you could deal with the cloudiness and even the slight drizzle that we had, but it was that wind that was quite chilly.
But hey, it was fun.
It was fun. They are so cute. And like I said, these are like, approximate age is like 9 years old. That's how old Alex is.
Yeah.
And so they're just these little tiny kids running around out there on the football field. So pretty fun. The Grizzly side of the field had way more fans than the Truckee side. And we're in Truckee.
The home team.
Yeah, we're in Truckee. But that's how it goes sometimes. Maybe all those parents are working or something. But anyway, anyway, it was very fun going to the little Pop Warner football game.
Yes, it was.
Thanks, Alex. Gotta go see Max next time. He didn't have one here. He's gonna have one here in a couple of weeks though, so, or in a month.
Yeah.
In a month, he'll be
We'll
up
definitely see that one.
Yep.
What are you spraying around outside?
Pine Sol. Diluted Pine Sol.
Pine Sol. It makes the outside smell like pine.
That's supposed to be a fly deterrent, so
Great.
we'll see. We don't want flies around us.
Okay.
Go take this back in. My chrysanthemums that my friend Debbie brought me for my birthday. So I just trimmed them all up. So hopefully the plant will survive. We'll see.
Maybe it'll keep growing.
Maybe. Hope so. It's got some new little growths in it.
Be
so.
nice to have fresh new flowers every month.
Every month. I don't think it works that way. Today is our day off. And once again, we are in Reno. However, we are doing something a little different. We are at the cemetery where my dad is. And the last time we stopped by here, we noticed that the headstone was, a lot of grass was growing around it. I mean, like covering it. So we're gonna trim around that, clean it all up. And we also noticed that the paint was chipping really bad on the lettering. So I got some paint and we're gonna fix it up and maybe trim around some of his neighbors, because we've noticed, you know, sometimes people have been here for so long and they don't have relatives around anymore to come and take care of things, and all they do here, the people that work here, is run over them with the lawnmower. That's it. So we are going to go and take give some care to it. My mom is waiting for us. So here is my daddy's stone. And it actually is for my mom and my dad. There used to be a really nice picture here on a little porcelain dealie, but it was a little domed. And because they run over all this, it started getting messed up and then it broke. So they don't have one here anymore. But what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start trimming this a little bit better. Actually, this is a lot better than it was last time I was here. Usually they're so covered you can't even see them, but they did do a weed eater around them, you can tell. But I'm going to do it a little bit better. Clean it all off and then start painting, because as you can see right here, the lettering, the white paint is coming off of it. So I got some outdoor paint. So it's indoor outdoor durability. So we'll be doing that. So look at the difference already of what I've done. Lot better. Comes in handy being ambidextrous. Ambidextrous. I finished. So I did the car and all the lettering.
Beautiful.
So it looks much, much better. The only ones I didn't do were the flowers, but they're not too bad, so. All done. I feel better. Finally gave Daddy some attention.
Hey, there's another Throw Up Thursday video for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and check us out Saturday morning for our Saturday coffee chat. We will see you then. Click the bell, get notified when we put up a new video. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.